Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome to another session of the Legit Ideas TV YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to buy USDT on Bybit P2P. I believe before coming to this video, you already know what Bybit is, one of the popular centralized app exchanges out there. And I believe you also know what P2P is. P2P is simply a system of trading peer-to-peer, how you can buy and sell coins with your own native currency. Simple as that. You don't need to begin to use credit card or thereabout. You just bank transfer and you get the coin credited to you immediately. So that is what the P2P is all about. And in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can buy USDT on this Bybit P2P. So please stay put in this video and watch to the end. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click the subscription button. We'll be very happy and very grateful if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Watch to the end and enjoy. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you have downloaded Bybit on the Google Play Store. If you have not done so, quickly head on to the Google Play Store and download the app right now before you continue. Now, having downloaded the app, you come to your phone like this. You open the app. You click on the application to open it. Okay, let me allow the app open. I want to make this video very short so it won't waste much of your time. Okay, now the app has opened and we want to buy USDT on Bybit P2P. Follow this guide, please. To start, you first of all have to access the P2P page. Click on deposit. Click on deposit here. Then when you click on deposit, select P2P trading. You can see here they wrote P2P, 0 fees. Remember, there is no charges. Click on it. Now, when you see this page, you will observe something. Acknowledge this, please. Now, you will observe that some orders, they wrote it ineligible. Why some? You can see you're eligible. Now, to make it easier for you to buy on this page, click on filter. Now, once you click on filter, you select show eligible ads only. Click on this show eligible ads only. Click on that one. Then you click on confirm. Done. Now you see all the ads are eligible. Now, another thing you should know is that each coin vendor has his or her own limit. Now, when buying a coin, you must check whether the person is active. Now, when you watch this first person, you'll observe that 4 hours ago, no need of trading with such a person. This one is 2 hours ago. Avoid such a person because he's not online until the person is on. But when you check this last person here, Beno, he or she is online. Now check the person's limit. This person's limit is from 2,000 to 3,000. That means the maximum you can buy from is 3,000 naira. The minimum is 2,000 naira. So depending on the amount you want to buy, you can also come to this place and put the amount you need so that it will be easier for you. Now let me click on it and select the amount I need so that they will show me ads. Let me say I want to buy 20,000 naira. I click on confirm. Now you see the ads I've shown for the ones with the amount. So I'll choose for the one with the cheapest price. If you watch these first 3 people, they have the same price. So let me look for who is online. Let me use beloved trade. Now you enter the amount you need. So you click here to type the amount of USDT you need that you want to buy. Let me say I'm using Naira now to make this video. Let me say I need one of 21,000. Okay, now let me say I want to buy one of 21,000. Now when you buy it, listen very carefully. When you buy it for this, you will receive 13.07 USDT. But now if there is a specific amount of USDT you need, you can click on with crypto and type the how many USDT you need. Maybe I need 20 USDT. You can now see the price 32k. You now click on buy. Now, very simple. What you have to do is read everything here. Please complete payment in following time frame. Be careful of this time frame, because once this time frame exhausts, your payment will bring up an issue. So be careful. Watch the time. You have 14 minutes left. Click on pay now. Now see what you have to do is click here to copy the account number of the person. Then you validate the name and the bank PalmPay, depending on who you are dealing with. You validate everything. Then what you have to do is minimize your phone and go to your bank account, PalmPay, UBA, Bank Isala, or any kind of bank you are using, and send the money. Now, one thing you should do is that you should make sure that the bank you are sending it is your own bank. Don't use another person's bank to make the payment. If the name you are bearing on your Bybit is Wilson Faith, make sure the bank you are using to send this money is also bearing Wilson Faith, because if you use a third-party bank, it may not be credited, and Bybit will not or might not resolve the issue for you. So you're always advised to use your own bank and not a third party. So after sending the money, when you are sure you have sent this exact amount without removing anything, you now come and click on payment completed. Once you click on payment completed, you now wait for some time and the payer will release the money for you. Once you send the money, just click on payment completed. Having clicked on payment completed, in less than 2 minutes, you will get the notification that this exact amount of USDT have been credited to you. You can now check your balance and you will see that it have arrived to your balance. I believe this guide have guided you on how you can complete your payment. I didn't click on complete payment because I didn't send any money actually in the course of this video. So you can follow these steps, and if you want to also sell, maybe you have USDT you want to sell, you can check up our video where we explain how to sell USDT. There's another exchange like BitGet you also want to learn. Check our video. We uploaded how to use the video. Just go through the pages, and if there's anything you don't understand in this video, please don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section. I will be able to attend to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.